Let's evaluate this algebraic expression step by step. We are given this expression with large numbers and we are also given 5 possible answer choices. At first glance, the numbers look intimidating, but there is a smart way to simplify it. Let's define a variable to make things easier. We set a equals 27,046, which lies right between all the numbers in the expression. Now, we will rewrite the original numbers in terms of a. First, 27,048 becomes a plus 2, and 27,044 becomes a minus 2. Next, 27,047 becomes a plus 1, and 27,043 becomes a minus 3. Now the original expression becomes as shown. Notice the first part is a product of conjugates. A plus 2 times a minus 2. We can simplify it using the identity a minus b times a plus b equals a squared minus b squared. So this becomes a squared minus 4. Next, let's simplify the second part. A plus 1 times a minus 3. We use the standard binomial multiplication here. A plus 1 times a minus 3 gives a squared minus 2a minus 3. Since this term is being subtracted, we need to place parentheses around it. Now our expression becomes as shown. Let's simplify this further. Distributing the minus sign gives us the following expression. Now a squared and minus a squared cancel each other out, which is left is 2a minus 1. Now we substitute a equals 27,046. That gives 2 times 27,046 minus 1, which equals 54,091. So the value of the entire expression is 54,091. Looking at the answer choices, we see that option D is 54,091. Therefore, the correct answer is D. This problem looked difficult at first because of the large numbers, but by introducing a smart substitution and using algebraic identities, we turned it into a simple linear expression. Always look for a structure in the problems. Even big numbers can simplify beautifully when you find the pattern. Enjoy the video? Don't forget to like and hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a visual explanation again.